Well, here we have my 1995 Toyota Celica that needs a little bit of bodywork. As we walk around it, we can see there isn't any petrol flap, but I do have one. It all needs a bit of a tidy up, really. I'm probably going to respray it. I may just paint the bonnet and the front bumper and the mirrors and the spoiler. It's a difficult one. I probably will respray it. You could drop a comment if you think I should respray the whole thing. I'm going to film it all, take you through the whole process from start to finish of the repair. Not that there's many repairs on this, but the paint prep and everything, and you'll see how we go from there. Well, I've already got the spoiler off the back. I've got it in the workshop. I'm going to take these bolts off down here. Try and get the bumper off. Are these going to break? Oh, no, I think we've got away with that one. I did, I'm cheated. I come down the other day before I started filming and actually put some WD-40 on these. This one don't look good. One. Oh, that's tight. I think. A bit more WD-40 on that second one. Poor old Carl. Yeah, this one particular car, it's a SS2, which means it's a Japanese model, and it yeah, it's basically got the super strut suspension. It's a 2-litre engine, same power as the 2-litre GT in the UK, but yeah, just with a super strut suspension off the GT4, which is nice, but costly, as I have found out to my peril, and a right pain in the bum when it goes wrong. But yeah, the whole front suspension setup, you're looking at £1,300 for the parts. All reconditioned, so I don't think they're made anymore. But this one's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Yep. 4 bolts. So, a couple of clips. Let me get Phillips screwdriver. Screwdriver and a bag for bits. Let's get Phillips head. Should have actually got a trim removing tool as well. But he didn't. This is coming. Oh yes. I'm scared this is going too well. Yeah, got ya. Right, as you can see, this will do for now. Right, as you can see on the floor there, a few broken bolts. I've got some of the bolts out from underneath. It didn't do too bad. I've taken this off from under the arch. As you can see, this fits over here. And I've got one more little screw thing, which I think is that. I have my special tool. Let's take this one out. Yep. So these are coming out. These are in plastic, which doesn't rust. It's a bit nice. Come out. Got it. Yeah, he has the screw. So now I've got these out. I'm hoping it's not going to be too difficult to see behind here. No, I can't see. I'll have to take this out a bit more. I'm going to put the camera down. Right, I'm hoping you guys can see that now. These is underneath the veer lights, and if you see in here, we've got 3 10mm bolts, 1, 2, and 1 up there bottom right. Now they're obviously going to be excellent fun to get to, and I hope they don't snap. But these, as you can see, they go down to here. You've got like 1, 2, 3. So they're the main bolts that I've now got to attempt to get out. Oh, and these lights, the indicators need to come out too. I could try doing that now. Let's see. I have a screwdriver here. Are these going to break? Oh. Could have done with my ratchet screwdriver for this, but it is not next to me. Sorry about the wobbly camera. Ain't gonna come out? Ain't coming out? Ain't come out? Yes. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna give now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna twist that way, just so you can see. Right, here we go. Well, it's loose, so I'm hoping a little bit of... There we go. Gently, gently. Oh, look at that. See that? I think was quite successful, really. There you go. Not much to it, really. Polystyrene support. Some brackets. Oh, there's a bracket has just fallen off. Don't know where that goes, but I will find out. Well, that is how we take a front bumper off a 1995 Toyota Celica. One, two, three. Well, the bumper's now off. Closer inspection. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, quite a bit of surface rust on the panel there, on the slam panel, but it's not gone through, you know. This car's 1995, which now makes it 26 years old. So, it's not bad, really. That needs a bit of a tidy up, and I'm sure I can do something a little better already. But all in all, it's not really that bad a condition, I don't think. It all looks quite tidy under there. You know, it's metal there still. Right, and it comes with a leaf. I wonder where that leaf came from. What part of the country? How long has it been there? Yeah. See, really, the worst bits is the paintwork on the bonnet. As you can see, that's absolutely terrible. The roof of the car's not too bad. I mean, I could just get away with just painting the bonnet and the front bumper. And the spoiler, obviously. The spoiler's gone. Spoiler's up here now. I've had some filler in that. I'd done that bit of filling ages ago. But yeah, it's been sitting there. But it's going to get done now. And you're going to watch it. So yeah, there you go. I think next is the rear bumper's going to come off. I think that may be in the next video that I do. I'll probably upload that in the next few days. All in all, they like this little car. But it's a shame to actually sell it, but yeah, finances dictate these things. But I think once it's all done, it'll be a nice little classic for someone. A few years left in it. Get the cam belt changed in the engine. Make sure he's all good. As it has this car. I mean, this car has been sitting around now for the last 3 years, I think. But it still starts first time. Yeah. We're gonna have to sort that out, aren't we? That's definitely gonna need some loving. Yeah, that's horrible. But for the rest of it, I mean, she's a pretty straight car. Well, thanks for watching. I shall be back on another episode. I hope you enjoyed. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. See you all again soon.